learn Spanish with English. Learn Espanol with English means con English. So here we are starting the Spanish language, and what we read now, then please let's solve. Learn, speak, read and write. In Spanish you will say aprende, habla, lee y escribe. First we are giving the exercise for practice. Second number is Spanish to English. Third number English to Spanish. Get more practice, exercise, and you will get this trial for the PDF files in the links we are given to you. So please click the links and get the more PDF files and more practice. So we are starting here the days. In English we can say the days, and it will be called in Spanish días. Hay 7 días en la semana. H is silent here, so next time I will clear you about the H. Hay 7 días en la semana. There are 7 days in a week. The segundo día is the second day of the week is Monday. El lunes. El lunes es el segundo día de la semana. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday. El martes. El martes es el tercer día de la semana. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday. El miércoles. El miércoles es el cuarto día de la semana. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday. El jueves. El jueves es el quinto día de la semana. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday. El viernes. El viernes es el sexto día de la semana. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday. El sábado. El sábado es el séptimo día de la semana. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Sunday. You can say this is the first day of the week. El domingo. El domingo es el primer día de la semana. Sunday is the first day of the week. Some other days also you can find here. Today. Hoy. Hoy es domingo. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow. Mañana. Mañana es lunes. Tomorrow is Monday. Yesterday, it's the past. So we call the ayer. Ayer fue un día muy aburrido. Yesterday was very boring day. Tonight, esta noche. Esta noche es la fiesta en mi casa. Tonight is party in my house. Last night, anoche. Anoche fue mi cumpleaños. Last night was my birthday. Last year, el año pasado. El año pasado tuve un coche. Last year I had a car. Don't forget us, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the black icon for the fast notification. Like and share please. And comment also. It is a must for me, because without your comment, without your suggestion, we can't give you the good lines for you. Good videos and good suggestions. Please give us. Thanks for watching us. And here you can click for other effective videos. Here we are sharing the many types of the videos, and there are many other videos, some other subject also. Please, thanks. Thank you.